Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp business account on your phone. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the WhatsApp business application. So of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you would like to go and download it from Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to actually go and of course log in into your account if you do have an account, but if you don't, just go and create your account. You'll find out a video on this channel on how to create your business account or your WhatsApp business account. Just go check it out. So of course, for me, let me just go here and open my WhatsApp business application, as you should of course, as you already did, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, that will actually be your home or your main screen on this application. So of course, here you may have different like conversations depending on of course your account. So of course, if you want to delete your account, just go and click at the three lines at the top right corner, and from here make sure to select the settings. So as you can see from here, so of course from here you'd like to go and click at your account. So when you click at your account, you'll have the option here of deleting your account. So if you click on it, as you can see, they will tell you that deleting your account will delete your account from WhatsApp and erase your message history, then delete you from all your WhatsApp groups. So of course you can change the number sent if you want, and if you want to delete your account, confirm your country and enter your phone number. So just go enter your country from here, enter your number here, and and all you need to do, just go and click delete your account. So for me, I actually don't want to do that, so I'm not going to do it. But of course, when make sure when you delete your account, that means if you have a normal WhatsApp, it will be deleted as well. So if you don't want to delete your normal WhatsApp, just go and install this WhatsApp like business, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.